Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to fix index of issue in WordPress website. Here you can see this is the index of issue. So this often comes in WordPress websites. At this time this is due to WordPress uninstalled. So now how we can fix out this? Just logging into hosting package. Then we need to go in cPanel. Here you can see on the left side, login into cPanel. After that, here you can see in the domain section we have the domain edit. Scroll down, here you can see in the list this is the domain name latestfullhdmovies.com, but WordPress is not installed, that is why we are getting errors. Let's go back to cPanel and after that scroll down. Here you can find out the platforms or scripts that we can install one of these. Just click here on the WordPress. After that click here install now. Then you can select the domain name. Here you can see. After that we can select options. By default we can select HTTP. After that here we can remove the directory. Now you can select the WordPress variant that you want to install. Here you can add details. Then after that we can add email address. Then click on install button. Here you can see WordPress has been installed. Let's refresh the page. Now you can see the issue has been solved. So there are various other reasons that this issue sometimes